Welcome back to another video. Today we have new items at Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you can buy tools like this, make material review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. Yeah, so we got here at the Harbor Freight website. The first one is, actually before we start, I want to make a big shout out to Josh McQuisney. He is the one that commented and let me know that new tools were up. Big shout out to him. If you're out there listening to us, I did not see your comment, but I did see that somehow your comment got deleted. I don't know what happened. YouTube's targeting or deleting comments that are not, they're not bad. It's because you're just putting the so if you want to get my attention, don't put a link, because usually YouTube targets it as a bad link. Just let me know what's going on. So Hercules, we got the first one, Hercules 12 volt lithium cordless 1/4 impact wrench tool, only $49.99. So it seems like this was removed. I don't know if we already, oh yeah, we did not have this. This is a new one. This is the 1/4. So impact wrench tool, only $49.99. So this is a nice little impact wrench, really nice. All right, we got the 14 amp Hercules 14 amp 7 and 1/8 SDS Max type variable speed rotary hammer, $499.99. You know what, guys? I've used Bauer in the past to do remodels in my house, to remove tile, to remove to break concrete and stuff like that, and I've had no issues whatsoever. So, and even when I was at one time when I was at the store, I even asked one of the guys that was looking at one, and he was telling me that the Bauer actually lasts longer than the Bosch, which I was shocked when I heard that. I was like, oh my, because to last longer than the Bosch is pretty much the leading brand for this type of tool. And well, yeah, that's what he told me. You know what, the Bosch only lasted for a few months, for 3 or 6, I don't know if he said 3 or 6 months. This was a couple years back. This was like 2 years ago. And then he just told me, you know what, ever since I bought this one, the Bauer has never failed. Still have it. I just came to the store to purchase a second one for my guys. So anyways, that's what I heard. So you got Maximum. I don't know about these, but they seem to be better. It looks like, I would think it's better than the Bauer. That's the side view there. And then that's the side. That's got a nice handle there. Really nice handle. You got the tool information there. It says Maximum vibration control. You got some sort of shock device there, so it doesn't. And then you have different selections here. You got a hammer mode. Maybe a drill mode, and then you got a hammer and drill mode. So yeah, there you go. Let's go back. On this one, you got Hold Industries Master Oil Funnel Filling Kit. Make oil changes clean, easy job with oil spill proof funnel kit. Most vehicles, $49.99. I usually just, this is a nice item to have. I usually just take a funnel and just use it, but if you're doing this all day, every day, this is a nice little kit. Obviously, they're gonna have coupons for all this stuff. You got the Yukon 3-drawer steel toolbox, $49.99. It's a really nice toolbox with some drawers. Actually, it's pretty bad. Pretty nice. Looks really nice. All right, next one down. You got the Merlin 5-in-1 safety coupler, $9.99. You know what? I have good luck with Merlins. I used a lot of their fittings for my air hoses and my compressor. My old compressor, which I need to sell because it's old and big and bulky. I need to buy a smaller one because I don't use air tools anymore. I don't use the impact air tools anymore. I use battery operated air tools, so I need to buy a smaller one. The only thing I need my air tools, my compressor for, is for my brand nailer and my framing nailer. That's all I use it for, because I need to do projects or lend it out to somebody or help somebody out. So yeah, Merlins are great. So 5-in-1 coupler, $9.99. Or you got the Chief 3-inch by 1 32 inch and 3/8 type 0141 cutting wheel, pack of 10. So $8.99. Chief brand. Chief brand is like their better brand from the Air Tools, professional grade. USB micro USB braided cable, $7.99. You got the 6 feet USB Type C braided cable, $9.99. All right, and then yeah, we got some nice. If you guys got the toolbox, if you're a mechanic, or if you just got a toolbox at home, if you want to pick your color, you want to find a matching magnetic power strip. Here you go, Harbor Freight. You're good to go there. Sometimes there's coupons out there where they drop to like $20, $25. So be sure to look out for those coupons. Download the app. So these are really nice. They do come in blue and black and all those colors too. These are just the newer colors. They do come with a couple USBs and 5 outlets there and a switch and a nice thick wire there. So you got some toys here, transportable puzzles, military hub puzzle, wood puzzle, some more puzzles here. You got the professional pistol grip air shears, $79.99, and then you got the trailer jack wheel dock, $4.99. Hallmaster. You got the 27-gallon storage bin, $9.99. You got the central machinery, 500-pound heavy duty sawhorse, $14.99. And then these we already went over. Anyways, just a quick video for today. Let you guys know what's out there, what's coming up from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys in the next one.